I am reviewing today the Vivitar brand for the USB lightning cable. USB lightning cable. It's a charger for iPod Touch, iPad mini, iPhone, iPod Air, iPod 4th generation, iPod Touch 5th generation. You can connect this to your computer, USB wall, or car charger. So this is the brand. Let us focus that. Oh, focus please. There it is. So that's the brand, Vivitar USB lightning cable, compatible with iPhone, iPhone 5, iPod Touch 5G, iPod 5.4, iPod Air, iPod mini. Okay, so this is my favorite color, lime green. That's why I got this color. And this is it. This is actually, it doesn't come with this one, you know, the wall adapter, since I have already this one, but the charger itself, the USB connector was damaged, so I have to buy this one. This one comes only with this, the USB connector. See, it has a nice color. Lime green is my favorite color. So this is it. You just plug that to the wall charger, the adapter, and you're ready to go. I charged the iPod Touch last night. It was so quick, less than an hour it was fully charged. And I also charged the iPad mini. It was like 2 hours because it has a bigger battery, so relatively time-wise it is quick. It's lightning cable, lightning charging, so it's really cool color and it charges fast. That's the most important of it, that it will charge fast. So just let's focus. I don't know what's going on with this. Okay, so there, just put it there in the charger slot, so it fits. This is a iPod Touch 5G. I got this. I got the 5G, 32 gigabytes. I have a review of this one. Check it out. And as well as with this case, the soft silicone and hardcover case. It's a very nice case for your iPod Touch. So that's it. And this is the iPad mini. What is wrong with this autofocus? It is cruel. It fits too in the iPad mini. That's the iPad mini right there. I also made a review for this case. Very nice case for the iPod Touch. Okay, so they all fit. And if you have questions or comments, just leave it down there in the video. Again, can we please focus? Unbelievable. Oh my, okay. That's so far it's focused. And that's the charger. That's the detail of it. So thanks for watching, guys. Again, this one right here, the Vivitar brand. See ya!